Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Kamar Nisa of 9th grade from Ikra International School, Bagimehta. And today I am here to talk about a topic that is not just important but essential for our everyday life: work, energy and power. But before starting our chapter, let us discuss the learning outcomes of this chapter. Why we are learning this chapter. The fun of learning this chapter is how it connects our everyday life with science and makes you to see things more differently. Talking about our chapter, we are having three main subtopics in this chapter. Let us talk about energy. But before that, we'll go through work. Work, we can say simply displacement. Displacement or change in position of a body. A work is said to be done when the force is applied on a body and the body moves in the direction of force. There are two main conditions of the work to be done. One is force and another one is displacement. For example, pulling a table from one corner to another corner. But let's take one more example, like we are studying 24 hours a day and we think like work is done. But scientifically, in science, the work is not done because the work is only done when the force is applied on a body and, very importantly, when the body moves from initial position to final position. Talking about energy, we can say energy is a tendency of a body to do more work. The SI unit of energy is joules. We write it as J, it means joules. And we have two main types of energies, like we have kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. For example, rolling a ball, climbing a tree, and etc. etc. And kinetic energy is written as 1/2 of mv square. Talking about potential energy, it is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. We can say potential energy is equals to like stored energy. We write it as mgh. There are two types of potential energy also. We have elastic potential energy and we have gravitational potential energy. After that, there are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, hydro energy, and etc. etc. We have different forms of energy also. Now let's talk about an important thing, that is transformation of energy, which means conversion of one type of energy into another type. For example, conversion of heat energy into electric energy. This is known as transformation of energy. For example, we have toaster, which converts the electric energy into heat energy, and etc. After that, we have one more subtopic, that is like the law of conservation of energy.